good morning. I'm Jen Wall. Thank you so much for joining us. The Arizona Department of Health Services has just released new numbers on coronavirus cases statewide. Here they are. DHS is reporting there are now 13,169 confirmed cases and 651 deaths. Governor Ducey's stay-at-home order officially expires tonight. The state has slowly been reopening for the last few days. First, with the return of elective surgeries, to the opening of barbershops and salons. Then this week, restaurants have resumed dine-in services, and now pools and gyms can be back open. This weekend, malls, tattoo shops, and movie theaters are also expected to reopen. Even though the state is getting back to business, though, Governor Ducey says it will still take time to get back to normal.
This is a green light to continue going forward on the way out of this pandemic. Now, this is not a green light to speed. This is a green light to proceed, and we're going to proceed with caution.
While many parts of the country are getting ready to reopen, the Navajo Nation says it plans to keep a lot of restrictions in place for now. This marks the 6th weekend curfew in a row, but this will be the strictest one yet. With all businesses closed, the Navajo Nation made the call after 16 deaths were reported in one day. The CDC just released new guidelines to help schools and businesses prepare to reopen. They put a focus on businesses, schools, public transit, and daycares. Documents posted on the CDC website provide step-by-step guidance advising employers. The guidelines do not provide details on when it would be safe to reopen businesses or schools, just a safe way to do it. To get a full breakdown of the lists, head to the CDC's website. And with the stay-at-home order about to expire, a lot of parents are facing a tough choice. Do they head back into work or stay home to take care of their children? Well, Team 12's Michael Doudna explains how when it comes to childcare and summer camps, it can be tricky.
Yeah, that's right. With summer camps and daycares being postponed and summer school moving online, well, at least one parent is having to weigh her paycheck with watching over her kids. The sounds of summer may look a little different this year, with camps and daycares put on hold.
It's unlike anything we've seen before.
For example, the Croc Camp at the Salvation Army has been delayed. A gym normally meant for kids has become a distribution center to help those during the pandemic. But things may need to change again soon. After all, as parents leave home and head back to work, who's going to look after the children?
We're starting ramping this up as quick as we possibly can.
But ramping up is going to take time. Caroline Rose says Camp Croc should open sometime in June because, like so many other camps and daycares, they've had to push things back to allow time to put in new safety measures,
so that we can keep children safe and we can keep our staff safe.
But despite those best efforts, there may be a gray area where parents have to choose between a paycheck or staying at home with their kids.
I think that trying to find the balance is impossible. I don't think there is a balance.
And Brooke Griffin is one of the lucky ones. Her kids are older, so they can watch themselves. But she has already had to face the dilemma, kids or money.
Sometimes work wins more and sometimes the kids win more. But I don't know how to do it any other way.
And the challenge may only get more pronounced as families who have lost income try to find some way to build back their finances.
We're all trying to emotionally survive this and survive this monetarily. Like, it's both things.
The Salvation Army says they'll be able to announce the exact dates of when Camp Croc will be reopening very soon and will be offering financial assistance. If you need help, we'll have a link on our website at 12news.com. We're in Phoenix. Michael Doudna, 12 News.
Thank you, Michael. And hey, the Boys and Girls Club also has updates on their camps on their websites here locally around the valley as well. Another good resource for families. Well, this weekend marks Arizona's third and final testing blitz. Fry's announced it has partnered with the city of Tempe to offer a free drive-through coronavirus test. Now, tests will be offered today and tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Tempe Diablo Stadium. The details are on your screen right now. You must register first online at krogerhealth.com. Kroger.com. And if you're eligible, you'll then be emailed paperwork to fill out and bring with you. Kroger is expecting to test about 250 people each day. And CVS also plans to provide testing. Starting today, the pharmacy chain is opening 10 drive-through sites across Arizona. This is part of the company's goal to create 1,000 test sites across the U.S. and process 1.5 million tests per month. Head to CVS.com to schedule an appointment. Let's go ahead and take another look at the new totals of coronavirus cases just released by the Arizona Department of Health Services. DHS is reporting there are now 13,169 confirmed cases and 651 deaths. Taking a closer look at the numbers in Maricopa County, according to the County Health Department, there are 6,681 confirmed cases, 291 people have died, 900 people are in the hospital, and 247 are in the intensive care unit. And don't forget, you can always find the latest information surrounding the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on the 12 News app. It's free to download if you don't have it already. Thank you so much for joining us for this latest update. Have a great Friday and stay safe, Arizona.